Ever wondered how ReactJS renders elements into the DOM? Well, it's time to uncover the magic behind this process. It all starts with ReactDOM.render, a method in ReactJS that plays a crucial role in this process. So what exactly is ReactDOM.render? In the simplest terms, it's a function that takes two arguments to render React elements into the document object model, or DOM. The first argument is the element to render, usually a React element or a component. Let's break down the syntax for a better understanding. It's quite straightforward, really. ReactDOM.render takes two parameters, the element and the container. The element is what you want to render, and the container is where you want to render it. Consider this example, where we have a simple React component named app. This component returns an h1 element with the text "Hello World." Using ReactDOM.render, this component is then rendered into the DOM, specifically into the element with the ID root. The result, a div with the ID root containing an h1 element that says "Hello World." Now, it's important to note that ReactDOM.renderer is typically called only once in a React application. This usually happens in the entry point file, like index.js, to render the root component of the application into the DOM. But what about subsequent updates to the user interface? Well, these are handled by React's reconciliation process. This intelligent mechanism efficiently updates only the components that have changed, keeping your application running smoothly and efficiently. In summary, ReactDOM.render is a powerful method in ReactJS that enables the rendering of React elements into the DOM. It takes two arguments, the element to render and the DOM container, and is typically called only once in a React application. Subsequent UI updates are handled by React's reconciliation process, ensuring efficient performance. So, whenever you marvel at a beautifully rendered ReactJS application, remember the role of ReactDOM.render. It's the silent hero behind the scenes, turning code into interactive, dynamic user interfaces.